The handheld gaming revolution is about to reach its final form. For years, the original ROG Ally and the Steam Deck have been fighting for dominance. But as we enter 2026, the game has officially changed. Behind the closed doors of Asus headquarters, a successor is being forged that doesn't just improve on the original. It aims to kill the gaming laptop once and for all. It's called the Asus ROG Ally 2, and the leaks we are seeing right now are nothing short of insane. We are talking about a jump to a 144Hz OLED display, the debut of the Ryzen Z2 Extreme chip, and a battery life that finally lets you play AAA games for more than 90 minutes. But there's a secret hidden in the 2026 FCC filings, a specialized Xbox OS mode that could turn this handheld into a portable Series X. Stay with me for the next 30 minutes, because we are going to deconstruct every leaked spec, the massive ergonomic redesign, and why the ROG Ally 2 is about to make every other handheld in your collection look like an ancient relic. If you've been waiting to pull the trigger on a portable PC, stop what you're doing. This is the only deep dive you need to understand why the ROG Ally 2 is such a seismic shift. We have to look at the battlefield of 2026. The original Ally was a power beast, but it was held back by Windows 11's clunky interface and a battery that drained faster than a supercar's fuel tank. Asus has spent the last 2 years listening, and the result is Project RC73. The most explosive leak from the early 2026 supply chain confirms that the ROG Ally 2 will launch in 2 distinct versions. The Black Edition is the Enthusiast Stream, featuring the brand new AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme processor. This chip is built on the 4nm architecture and reportedly offers a 40% jump in GPU performance over the previous generation. We are looking at a handheld that can run Cyberpunk 2077 at 1080p high settings with stable 60 FPS on the go. This isn't just a toy, it's a pocket-sized powerhouse. But let's talk about the screen, because this is where you'll spend every second of your time. The leaks for the ROG Ally 2 point toward a 7-inch Lumina OLED panel. For those who felt the original's LCD was a bit washed out, this is the answer. We're talking about infinite contrast ratios, deep blacks that merge with the bezels, and a 144Hz refresh rate that makes even the most frantic action look buttery smooth. But Asus didn't stop there. The screen is rumored to feature Variable Refresh Rate 2.0, which is specifically tuned to eliminate screen tearing even when your frame rates dip. This is a level of visual fidelity that, until now, was reserved for $3,000 gaming monitors. Now let's address the biggest elephant in the room, battery life. The ROG Ally X tried to fix this with an 80 Wh battery, but the ROG Ally 2 is taking it to the limit. Reports from the manufacturing lines suggest a dual-cell 99 Wh battery system in the high-end model. This is the legal limit for most airlines, and it's being paired with the new efficiency core technology in the Z2 chip. In theory, this could give us 3 to 4 hours of heavy AAA gaming on a single charge. For the US traveler flying from New York to LA, this is the holy grail. You can finally finish a session of Elden Ring or Starfield without panicking for a wall outlet. But hardware is nothing without software, and this is where the 2026 leaks get truly wild.